Hey there, Ride the Car Guy here with a quick video on how to release the shift knob from a Chrysler 300 as well as the plastic center console piece underneath it. Now I know the 300 models came in a lot of different center console configurations, but I'm demonstrating on my 2011 Chrysler 300C. With this shift knob you'll see standard leather shift knob with a little plastic chrome piece at the bottom. What we want to do is we want to start by removing this plastic chrome piece, and you can do that with just a little flathead screwdriver. Just carefully wedge underneath the plastic and you'll see it'll start to shift down, and then just work your way around it and it will pop off. Oh, just make sure, there we go. Alright, so that's been popped off. And then you're going to see a little piece of metal here that kind of sticks out from the front of the shift knob. So for that, just grab a pair of needle nose pliers. Grab that out. You'll see it just slides right out with ease. Set that aside. And now just lift the shift knob up. There you go. Shift knob is off. Okay, now that our shift knob's out of the way, we can remove our plastic piece below it. For the tray, just stick your fingers in here, pull it out, set that aside, and then just take this upper compartment and just open it up. Then you want to take a plastic pry tool. If you don't have plastic, you can use metal, but just be very, very careful. Then you want to find a gap. There's just going to be a few clips below holding it in, so you just want to find a gap and start prying it up. There you go. You can feel them release as you pull. Now be careful because there's going to be a little electronic wire in here. I believe this has lights in it, so we want to be careful with that. There you go. Feels like there's a fourth one up here. There we go. Excellent. So now we want to lift off, and looks like we have a plug right here. So just push your finger in that, pull it out, and then slide this up. There you go. Now that we have it removed, I can start my deep cleaning on it and reinstall it. So that's it. I just wanted to share that really simple removal for you guys, so that way if you need to get to anything below there, now we've cleared the way. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more awesome content like this, be sure to hit subscribe below, comment with any questions or suggestions, and be sure to check out the Ride the Car Guy Facebook and Instagram page. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.